process chapter of CBSE NCERT textbook Biology. Transport in plant. This is the today's topic, transport in plant. Now how does the transport takes place in plant? Plant root absorbs nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, minerals and water from the soil. Now how does this water get transported in plant? It is mainly through the vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are xylem and phloem. Water is transported mainly through xylem. Let us see how the water gets transported through xylem. In xylem tissue, vessels and tracheids form a continuous channel from the roots to the leaves. At the root cells, in contact with the soil, actively takes up ions which create a concentration gradient that helps in movement of water into the plant and form a column of water. Second, by transpiration. Transpiration is a loss of water in the form of water vapor through the stomata present in leaves. Water that is lost through the stomata is replaced by the water present in xylem vessels. This creates a suction which pulls water from the xylem cells of roots to upward. Transpiration also helps in temperature regulation. Now third method, it is by root pressure. Root pressure helps in the upward movement of water. This occurs mainly at night, while transpiration pull works in the morning. Now how does transport of food takes place in plant? It takes place also through vascular bundle but mainly through phloem. Food that is synthesized in leaves of the plant by the process of photosynthesis is transported to different parts of the plant by the process of translocation. So what is translocation? It is the process by which the food molecule is transported from the phloem to different parts of the plant. Now translocation takes place through phloem. Mainly the phloem contains sieve tubes and companion cells. So the translocation takes place through sieve tube and companion cells of phloem. Now food that is produced in the leaves, it gets stored in the form of glucose and then to sucrose. The sucrose is transferred to phloem tissue using energy from ATP. So energy providing molecule is the ATP. As a result, osmotic pressure increases which causes water to move into the cell. This pressure moves the food in the phloem to the tissues which have less pressure. Thus, translocation takes place upward and downward direction according to plant's need. Food is delivered to storage organ like root, stem, leaves and also to the growing regions like the bud. This is the picture to show how transport takes place in plant. Here is the roots of the plant, stem, leaves. From the soil, the roots absorb water and the water is moving from the soil upward to the leaves where photosynthesis takes place. While after photosynthesis, food is formed in the leaves and through the vascular bundle phloem, the food is moving to different direction, can move upward as well as downward direction. This is a picture representation of the cells that are present inside the root. This shows the root cells. This is the root hair and from the soil, water molecules are taken into the cells. While upward, this shows the cells that is present in the leaves, where photosynthesis takes place, where water is absorbed, where process of photosynthesis takes place using carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and the food is formed which is in the form of glucose which get converted into sucrose. So from the leaves, the vascular bundle phloem takes the food to different parts of the plant, either to downward direction or to the upward direction. Thank you.